So I'm Jennifer Riley Chetwind. I am here in Perugia representing the One World, One Water Center from Denver, Colorado. That is a joint venture between Denver Botanic Gardens and Metropolitan State University of Denver. We, more than 6 months ago, started a conversation with WARADOC, the Water Resource Documentation Center at Unistrap, Università per Stranieri di Perugia, about a collaboration that would take this impact between these two universities and their water studies programs and involve other parties to make a more collective impact. So we met with the World Water Assessment Program here at UNESCO, and they were very interested in joining forces to really bring diverse stakeholders together to talk about water scarcity in agriculture specifically. So these conversations over the last 6 months have culminated in today's event.